Hello everyone, this is Ale Crypto, and in this video I want to talk about a project I'm really hyped about because I truly believe this really has the potential to easily do 100x from launch if it delivers on its promises. This project is called Soma.Finance, and in a few words, Soma.Finance has as objective to replace the most used financial instruments of the traditional finance by using the advantages of crypto with all the licenses required globally. That is the United States and all the other countries that usually ban its citizens from crypto products. In other words, it's fully compliant. So to start, I will just explain a couple of real-world problems that this project is coming to solve. First, most of us are aware that many countries nowadays are excluded from most of the products that crypto offers, and this is mostly due to legislation issues. But Soma.Finance is going to have all the licenses necessary to comply not only in the USA but also globally. This will end uncertainty that today's projects face in regards of where are they standing in the eyes of the law, or if they will be prosecuted at some point in the future, which creates a lot of uncertainty for the markets and also works as a disincentive for bigger institutions to invest. And also, there is a huge amount of people wanting to invest and benefit from the growth of these projects. But at the moment, at least in the United States, you need to be an accredited investor to be able to participate in token sales. And as we can see in Investopedia, to be an accredited investor, you need to earn more than $200,000 a year, or you need to have a net worth of more than $1 million. That means that only rich people have the possibility to get richer, while the middle and lower class doesn't even have the chance to participate in these opportunities. So Soma.Finance will open the door to the 300 million Americans wanting to get into crypto, and this number gets even bigger when we think that Soma.Finance will have global licenses, so people across the world will be able to invest knowing that they are investing in fully compliant products. The other massive problems that Soma.Finance are coming to fix are the inefficiencies of today's stock market. Nowadays, in a globalized non-stop world, we still have a stock market that only works business hours, that is 8 to 5 Monday to Friday. Outside those hours, regardless of what is happening in the world, the investor's money is trapped until the stock market opens again. Soma.Finance wants to replace this by tokenizing the different shares of the different companies, making possible for the customer to be able to buy or sell 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. But this won't be wrapped or synthetic assets, as every token of a company will be backed by the real shares of the business, which means that the customer will also have access to dividends. Also, people will be able to do some of the DeFi stuff that we're used to, like for example yield farming with Tesla or Coca-Cola stocks. Soma.Finance will do a lot more, which we will briefly see now. But only these 2 points make me super bullish, and these licenses that they already have will work as some sort of patents that other projects won't be able to copy so easily. So it's like it will be a monopoly and perhaps an oligopoly where not many projects will be able to get these licenses. Now let's look at their website. Here they tell us that it is the first compliant multi-asset DEX and issuance platform for tokenized equities, crypto assets, STOs and NFTs. Also, this is a partnership between MantraDAO and Tritorian Capital. MantraDAO is a well-established DeFi project which also has the launchpad Sendit, and Tritorian Capital is a FINRA registered broker-dealer based in New York. They are also telling us that the whitelist is open and you just need to sign up with the link I will be leaving in the description. The way it works is that once you're on this page, you will click on the Join List button. Then you will click on the Count Me In button. It will ask you for your full name and email address. Then you will receive a confirmation email that you need to confirm, and that's it. You will be introduced in a list, and you will go up in the list the more people you invite with the referral link that you will get. It's still not clear yet what will be the allocation or how many people will be able to participate. If we scroll down, they tell us that it will be the world's first compliant automated market maker. That is, that it will use the same mechanism as Uniswap, where liquidity is provided by users and the fees generated are also shared between the people providing the liquidity. Here they're telling us the size of the market they want to disrupt, and if they can get the 1% of any of these markets, this project will go to the moon. When we think that only the world stock market is worth more than $70 trillion. And let's be honest, if I want to buy Tesla stock, for example, I would rather doing it through Soma.Finance, knowing that it's regulated the same way that the stock market is, where I can also access it 24/7 and can also benefit from doing DeFi with my stock, perhaps staking or lending and generating additional income. If we keep scrolling down, they mention the challenges that they are coming to tackle. Regulatory challenges, bad actors and market manipulators, fragmented asset classes and liquidity scattered user base. And here they are telling us how they will tackle these challenges. Through Tritorian Capital, Soma.Finance currently has the only SEC and FINRA approved license to offer tokenized securities on the blockchain. And here the keyword is only. I'm sure others will come later, but the first moving advantage is something that we can't ignore, especially when we see projects like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Aave, Axie Infinity. All of them had the first mover advantage and did millions % in profits. It will be a multi-asset platform. It will launch with 20 or 30 tokenized equities, ETFs, crypto assets, and STOs with more products to be added. P2P automated market maker transactions. Trade across all asset classes in a P2P and decentralized fashion without having a centralized order book or there being room for market manipulation. This is very important, and that just means bringing the transparency that crypto offers to the traditional finance. And semi-permissionless access to DeFi. Following the proper KYC and AML guidelines, institutions and retail alike will be able to access yield farming and liquidity provider incentives. Here in key features they repeat to us everything again. Globally compliant, one-to-one backed and redeemable, tokenized equities, crypto, STOs and NFTs, 24/7 trading, DeFi to TradFi bridge, DeFi primitives, fiat convertible, Soma Prime brokerage. Here they tell us about their token. It's gonna be called Soma. Soma will be US compliant under Reg D, Reg A+, and Reg S offerings. The Soma token as a compliant security will allow for yield farming opportunities, dividends and airdrops, governance and token holder rights, buybacks and burns, and staking. Now let's look at the tokenomics. 30% are gonna be given for Soma LP staking rewards, 19% is gonna be for the reserve pool, 4.5% is gonna be for liquidity provision, 4% for BD license fee, 15% for T&A, 6.75% is gonna be the seed round and extension, 8.7% liquidity round, and here is where it becomes more interesting. 2.5% for public sale and send it, and 4% on staking airdrop. So send it is the MantraDAO launchpad, so I assume that that's where they will be doing the public sale, which you need MantraDAO tokens to participate. For more information on that, visit the MantraDAO website. And the information about the airdrop is not 100% clear yet, but for what I could understand in their Telegram, you will get an airdrop as long as you are staking or lending your OM token. And it's for this reason that I already bought some OM tokens, and I hope that when the information becomes more public, the token will go up, and also I will have a nice airdrop of a token that I believe has a huge potential. Again, for more information on that, go to the MantraDAO or Soma.Finance Telegram. Now here, they give us more details in regards of the tokenomics. There will be a max supply of 88,888,888 tokens, which is very low. At launch, the market cap on day one will be $1 million, and this is the main reason why I'm so bullish about this project. This number is very, very low, and that's why I expect on day one no less than a 20x increase. They fundraised a total of 25 million and the seed price was $1. The liquidity round was 175 and our price will be $2.25. I find interesting that Animoca Brands invested $6.5 million on this project, as they are well known for choosing to invest in high quality projects, like for example Axie Infinity, where they multiply their investment times 1,000. Now, following the same line as MantraDAO, where there is a launchpad called Sendit, Soma.Finance will also have a launchpad called Soma Starter, where we can see it's going to be fully compliant issuance platform and launchpad for the issuance of tokenized securities, following global KYC and AML requirements under US regulations CF, D, A+, S filings. This means that only serious projects willing to jump all the hoops in order to comply with rules and regulations will be listed here. And in one of the interviews with John Patrick, CEO of MantraDAO, he announced that there were already AAA games waiting to be launched on this platform soon. Here we can see the roadmap, where the first milestone was to create the partnership, complete the seed round, fundraising, and acquire the Reg CF, which would allow US retail investors to participate in pre-sales. This is huge, since would increase the market to potentially additional 300 million people. Here, for the first half of 2022, they want to complete liquidity round fundraising, launch V1 platform with tokenized equities, cryptos, ETFs, and fiat on and off ramps, integrate DeFi yield farming functionalities, broaden MTL coverage, and issue first regulated security token on Soma platform. And for the second half of 2022, they want to expand product offering with commodities, precious metals, options and futures, facilitate margin loans and lending, integrate additional blockchain networks including Polygon, Solana and MantraDAO Polkadot Parachain, and acquire a New York bit license. And here they present the team. The main members are William Hain, which is the CEO at Tritarian Capital, and John Patrick Mullin, which is the CEO at MantraDAO, which is a DeFi project which has been running for 2 years now. I recommend you check the rest of the members of the team. They seem like they have the experience and skills to develop this project. They are active in a lot of social media channels: Telegram, Twitter, Medium, Facebook. There are only 2,780 members on Telegram and 3,270 followers on Twitter, which is very low in my opinion, so perhaps they need to work a little bit harder on their marketing, but also maybe they don't have the attention that they deserve due to the poor market conditions that we are having at the moment. To conclude, I think this could be a hidden gem, which could be a game changer for the way the traditional stock market is run. They will have first mover advantage and the licenses will work in a way like patents. The team is solid and competent. The partnerships are great. And just Animoca brands alone will bring a lot of AAA games and metaverse projects. So if they do deliver on their promises, this project will do amazing. But now I want to hear, what do you think? Is this a winner or not? Leave it in the comments. So that was it for this video. Now you have the information, but it's only up to you to take action. Remember that I'm not a financial advisor and everything said in this video is for education purposes. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, subscribe, hit the notification button and follow me on Twitter. I will be leaving the link to Soma.Finance in the description. Thank you. Goodbye.